The average American saves only 3.8% of their income, and nearly 1 in 5 households has no emergency savings at all. In this video, I'll show you 6 proven strategies to save $10,000 fast, no matter your income. Plus, I'll share the one thing that's helped millions of people save money, and it could change your life too. Imagine walking through life knowing that no emergency, no car breakdown, no sudden job loss, no unexpected bill can shake your financial stability. Now, that's not just a dream, that's what happens when you have $10,000 saved. It's not about depriving yourself or pinching every penny. It's about transforming how you manage money so that saving feels effortless. So let's get into it. 6 strategies, 1 life-changing tip, and a simple plan you can start today. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. No, you don't need a 6-figure salary to save $10,000. What you need is a system that works with your life, not against it. So let's break down this seemingly impossible mountain into manageable steps. Here's what makes $10,000 the magic number. It's enough to cover most major expenses and emergencies. Things like car repairs, medical emergencies, sudden job loss buffer, you name it, you get it. It gives you the freedom to pursue opportunities like career transitions, business startups, or investment opportunities. It creates psychological safety that transforms your decision making. It becomes your launching pad for building real wealth. I'll just go ahead and assume that you want to save $10,000 in a year, which, if that's the case, you'll break it down as follows. $833 a month, $27.40 a day, $1.40 an hour, or 2 cents a minute. Now, okay, you don't need to go that far, but you still get the point. Strategy 1, know where your money's going. First, we need to know where your money is really going. Not where you think it's going, but where it's actually going. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Pull up your last 3 months of bank statements and categorize every expense. You'll likely find 4 types of spending. First up, we have essentials or your needs, like rent, utilities, insurance, loan payments. Then we have variable necessities. That's things like groceries, fuel, basic clothing. Then wants. That's entertainment, dining, shopping. Hidden expenses. Subscription services, bank fees, unused memberships, the sneaky expenses you forgot about. Once you do that, you can focus on the strategy of cutting expenses without feeling miserable. Now, strategy 2, cut expenses. Don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to live like a hermit. Here's the deal now. Most people aren't broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because they don't realize how much they're wasting. $7 on a coffee every day. That's over $2,000 a year. Forgotten subscriptions could be $50 to $100 a month. Easy. Eating out constantly. Boom, there you go. Another few $100 just vamoosh, gone. Disappear. Expelliarmus. So here's what to do. Cancel stuff you don't use. Streaming services, apps, random subscriptions. You probably won't miss half of them anyway. Use the 48-hour rule. Want to buy something non-essential? Well, wait 2 days. You'll realize most of it was just an impulse anyway. And no, this isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional. Small changes equal big savings. Strategy 3, increase your income. You can only cut so much, so if you really want to speed things up, it's about time you want to increase your income. And no, you don't need to work 80-hour weeks or start the next Amazon. No, here's actually what works. Freelancing. Things like writing, graphic design, social media gigs, you name it. Sites like Fiverr or Upwork can help you start fast. Side hustles, things like ride sharing, food delivery, dog walking, apps like Rover make that really easy. Declutter for cash. Sell stuff you really don't use anymore. Old clothes, gadgets, furniture, go for it. Facebook, Marketplace, and eBay are your best friends. And here's the easiest option. Earn extra with pawns.app. Share your internet, play games, take simple surveys, and it's as simple as I just said, easy, and adds up really fast. You don't need to find one big income stream. Stack several small ones on top of each other instead. A few extra $100 here and there really does add up quicker than you might think. Strategy 4, save smarter, not harder. Here's the part that changed everything for a lot of people. Automation. Yes, when you automate your savings, you don't even miss the money. It's like paying yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account. Even $100 per paycheck adds up to over $1,000 a year without even thinking about it. Use separate savings buckets. One for emergencies, one for travel, and one for the fun stuff. It makes saving feel more rewarding because you see progress in different areas. Cashback apps give you free money on stuff you're already buying. Negotiate your bills. A 10-minute phone call to your internet or phone provider can save you $50 to $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year just for asking. Strategy 5, avoid lifestyle creep. Ever get a raise and somehow still feel broke? Well, that's called lifestyle creep. When you start earning more, it's really tempting to spend more. A nicer car, fancier dinners, you name it, you get it. But here's the trick. Keep living like you're broke, yeah, even when you're not, and save the difference. See, that's how people build wealth without even trying. Strategy 6, stay motivated. Saving $10,000 isn't exciting every day, we get that. Some days you'll want to quit, and that's really normal. But here's how to stay motivated. Visualize your goal. What will $10,000 do for you? Less stress, a dream trip, the freedom to quit a job you hate. Keep that picture in your mind. Accountability matters. Tell a friend your goal, or better yet, find a savings buddy. Compete to see who can save more. Celebrate progress. Every $500 or $1,000 milestone, yeah, that's a win. Treat it like one. Saving money is a marathon, not a sprint. But the finish line, totally worth it. Now, I'm going to share a simple 1-month plan to kickstart and jumpstart your savings. It's really easy, no complicated steps, no stress. You just need to start. That's it. It's called the 30-day Savings Jumpstart Plan. So it starts with week 1, which is all about setup. Let's start by facing the numbers. Now, don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Download a free expense tracking app, something like Mint or EveryDollar. Look through last month's bank statement. Where did your money actually go? Spot your top 3 spending categories. This is where you'll find your first easy wins. Think of this as turning on the lights in a messy room. You can't clean up if you can't see the mess, right? Week 2, optimization. Now that you know where your money's going, let's start by plugging those leaks. Cancel one subscription you don't use or barely use. Do you really need 5 streaming services? I don't think so. Pack your lunch at least 3 times this week. It's healthier and saves more than you might think. Download a cashback app for groceries. It's basically free money for stuff you're already buying. Week 3, extra income. Cutting expenses is great, but let's talk about making more. Find 5 things around your house you can sell. Old gadgets, clothes, furniture, you probably have cash just lying around. Sign up for a side hustle platform. Think gig apps, freelancing, or even something easy like pawns.app. Call one service provider and say you want to cancel or found a better deal. Your internet, phone, insurance, many companies will lower your bill just to keep you. Week 4. Systems. Now that you've got momentum, let's make saving automatic. Open a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind, so you're less tempted to spend it. Set up automatic transfers. Even $20 a week really adds up without you noticing. Create a visual tracker, a chart, a coloring sheet, whatever keeps you motivated. Watching your savings grow feels amazing. Saving $10,000 isn't some far-off dream people make it out to be. People are doing it every single day without winning the lottery or living on ramen noodles. The question isn't if you can do it, the question is, when will you start? Now it's your turn. What's one expense you're cutting starting today? Drop it in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply to as many as I can. And if you're ready to boost your income, check out this video on how to start earning extra cash today. It's packed with strategies to help you save even faster. I'll see you on the next one.